There's so many exciting trends impacting the consumer packaged goods industry. The first one being the rise of direct-to-consumer brands, whether it's mattresses or razors. There's tons of new brands popping up and challenging traditional brands in those spaces. The importance of sustainability, of knowing what's in your products and making them greener for the environment is increasingly important, and also the changing retail landscape. In the past 25 years, the need to have specific products for specific retailers has increased, and brands need to evolve to meet those needs. When we look at Specright and how we're empowering brands to really meet and exceed these trends, if you think about direct-to-consumer, it's all about innovation. And with Specright, by centralizing your data and really knowing your products, you can spend more time innovating on them. When it comes to sustainability, you can actually track material usage to the gram level and understand how swapping out certain materials would impact your sustainability goals, and you're able to actually report on them. And when it comes to the changing retail landscape, you're able to better standardize and have different specifications when it comes to packaging, all the way through to how it's shipped to different retailers so that you can ensure your partners are getting the right product. So when it comes to consumer packaged goods, we think there's a tremendous amount of opportunity when it comes to specification data management and helping those brands achieve their outcomes.